Let's install the Adventure Spec rear luggage rack with Mosko Moto Reckless 80. Alright, for this job we'll need our bolts, some Loctite, optionally our Mosko Moto Gnoblin, 5 and 6mm Allen keys, a 13mm spanner or wrench, and a 10mm wrench. Let's start by removing the saddle to get access to the bolts of the stock rear luggage rack. We can then take our 5mm Allen key and start removing the rear plastic. With the rear plastic removed, we can take our 6mm Allen key and make sure to remove the bigger bolts off the rear luggage rack. Two bolts left, so just take your 13mm ratchet, take them off and remove the whole thing. Perfect, that's gone. So let's put on something shiny and new. Wipe away that dirt from that off-roading you did, and let's put the new rack in place. I like to install the Knoblin first, so let's see where we want it. And then to give ourselves a little bit of extra room, we can put that on the plate first and then install the entire rack. I'm using one of the Knoblin's shims to make sure that the whole Knoblin sits a little bit higher and it's easier to install the Reckless 80 system later. After you pick the shims back up from the floor, you can decide which of the two holes you want to use for the position of your Reckless 80. I'm going to put the system a little bit more forward so that the weight is more in the middle of the bike. If you like to have a little bit more space, you can also make sure that you put it a little bit more backwards. Don't forget to put some Loctite so you don't lose the Knoblin halfway through your ride. Now grab your 5mm Allen key and your 10mm wrench and just tighten it all up. Time to put everything in place. Fit the rack back on and find the bag of bolts that came with your Adventure Spec package. In the bag you'll find 4 Allen key bolts and 2 hex bolts. And of course, don't forget to drop everything one more time before you put it in place. The longer Allen key bolt will go in the front of the plate and the shorter ones will go in the back. There's also 2 nuts in the bag, which will also be for the back of the plate, so you'll have to put those underneath. But before we tighten everything up, of course we'll put Loctite on the bolts here as well. Now the 2 hex bolts are for all the way in the front where the rack attaches to the frame. Put some Loctite on these as well and let's get them installed. With all the bolts and nuts in place, grab your 13mm ratchet and start tightening up the bolts, but not entirely just yet. It's a good idea to do this evenly, so make sure to switch between your 13mm ratchet and your 5mm Allen key. Now just make sure everything is nice and snug and you're all done. Time to install the Reckless 80. The Knoblin will be underneath the beaver tail, so make sure to move that out of the way and then line up the Knoblin on the bike with the Knoblin on the bags. Tighten it all up and you can move on to the sides. For the side straps, we can simply use the passenger foot pegs. I like to use the most forward position. Tighten it up tightly and then make sure to roll up all of the additional strap. Do this for both sides. Thanks for watching, see you at the next one.